Welcome to S&C Custom Designs. We're going to do a little episode on resawing. For those of you who don't know what that is, prepare to get excited. For resawing, you're going to need a bandsaw. This is our 14-inch jet. Couldn't be more pleased. And one of the first things you're going to want to make, unless you want to purchase one, is a resaw, a fence, something that your stock can ride up against as you push it through. And you're going to want to make sure that the table is a square, 90 degrees, so that there's no binding or anything like this. And then you're going to want to get a little scrap piece of wood, anything that's flat, and that's going to help the wood to slide along so you can pay more attention to what you're doing with your hands and keeping the project safe. One thing I'll say about resawing that I've discovered is, and I haven't been doing it long, is you have to go slow. Don't be in a hurry. You know, for people like me with my personalities, like I want everything done yesterday, I had to learn that lesson that you can't force the wood through. And I have a 3/4 inch blade in there, and trust me, it gives you plenty of cutting power. And the teeth, if you'll notice, they're quite spread out. That's actually a good thing, because what you need is for the dust that's going to come from the material, it needs to go somewhere. So if it stays in the blade area, it's just going to get tarry and pitchy after a while, depending on what kind of wood you're cutting, of course. Today we're cutting oak. The oak is going to go on the front of this unit here. Customer wanted a bookshelf, adjustable bookshelf. So without further ado, let's go ahead. I wanted to show you an example of resawing a bigger piece of wood that we put through. So there you go. This is what we did. And that's actually not thin enough for veneer, really, and I could go smaller. As a matter of fact, I think this oak is going to be even thinner. So let's go ahead and run this through the bandsaw. And here we go. And there you have it. That is pretty thin, my friends. So I basically just got double for my money for this long piece of oak.